Hello, fellow doctors. I'm Dr. Sumanar, diabetologist, practicing diabetes since 18 years. Well, I can say treating diabetes since 18 years. We from the doctor fraternity believe that knowledge sharing and learning is an important part of our profession. During this tough time of corona, where we need to maintain social distancing, meeting in the scientific forum becomes a big challenge. And I take this opportunity for a quick connect through coffee with KOL. We know that diabetes is growing in numbers, and India is said to be the second largest country with a diabetic population of around 70 million people are suffering from diabetes. Out of this, 60% of our diabetic patients are not well controlled. Diabetes, if it is not controlled well, it can lead to various other complications. So it's important for us to control diabetes to prevent this complication. In fact, it is said that 1% reduction of HbA1c can bring down the major complications like cardiac or renal by 10 to 15%. That is an impact of good glycemic control. So it's important for us to control diabetes early. In fact, I also say that tighter glycemic control in the initial days can lead to a good legacy effect, or we call it a good metabolic memory, which can prevent the diabetic complications at much more later dates. So it's very important for us to control diabetes as early as possible to bring a good glycemic effect on the body. In fact, I would say that during this good initiation therapy, I always rely much upon glimepiride as my best partner in controlling the diabetes at much more earlier dates than anything else. We have also seen that diabetes is increasing in numbers and coming in various other populations. For example, age group being lesser age group, also we are seeing diabetic patients developing something like around 18 years, 20 years, also developing type 2 diabetes, and much more later days also. And diabetes is evolving over time, and probably this is called as a changing trend. In this changing trend, we need to really be very, very aggressive and give a tighter glycemic control to bring a better outcome of diabetes. The most key factors in control of diabetes is, I feel, that reduction of HbA1c and delaying the diabetes complication, which is much more needed for us. And during this tough time, I always depend much on glimepiride, which is my major tool, which helps in controlling the diabetes much better and addressing these issues much faster. And when you definitely give this molecule, when the tighter glycemic control is achieved, then automatically the patient acceptance becomes better. Patient starts believing believing in the molecule, and probably the rapport with the patients improves. So I always feel, let us control the diabetes much more earlier by using a better molecule to give a better effect. In fact, there was RSSDI statement, annual statement, which clearly shows that glimepiride or probably the sulfonylureas is the second line of choice of therapy for a diabetics, provided the cost and efficacy as to be considered as major issues actually. So it's very important. Not only that, in fact, we say that diabetes, when we are trying to use a glimepiride molecule as such, it gives a better glycemic control, and acceptance becomes much more easier in most of the cases as such. In my clinical practice, I've been using a combination of glimepiride, metformin, and in fact, it is something like synergic effect of metformin and combination with sulfonylureas, helping in controlling the diabetes better, in trying to address various other etiopathologies of diabetes, which can lead to something like the reduced hepatic glucose production or decrease in the hepatic gluconeogenesis. All those can really happen when you're trying to use this combination as such. So it's very important for us to use this combination better. In fact, there was various other studies which clearly show that sulfonylureas doesn't really cause any sort of a major hypoglycemia or weight gain as compared to newer molecules like DPP4 or probably SGLT2 inhibitors. In fact, in one of the start study trial, it showed that diabetes and glimepiride combination exhibits a significant amount of reduction in the glucose parameter as compared to metformin or acetagliptin combination. In fact, the good efficacy of the safety profile, lesser hypoglycemic events, in fact, lesser weight neutrality, extra pancreatic effects, and many philotrophic effects benefits, and glimepiride is still a rational choice, adding on to a metformin in type 2 diabetic patients. In my clinical experiences, I would like to share a few of the examples. For example, if a patient comes to me with a higher glycemic control, in the sense the glycemia is not well controlled, the HbA1c is on a higher side, I really start on this metformin glimepiride combination. And in fact, in a matter of 1 month, I really see a better improvement. And in fact, the HbA1c reduction was also much more faster in this combination compared to any other combination what I've used in my personal experience. So in my experience, I've seen definitely this really works well. Hope this information was useful for you. Together, let us collaborate towards quicker control of diabetes in India. Thank you.